What is the religion 3.3 million years ago? If God created the universe based on science 14.4 billion years ago, and Christianity, Islam, and Judaism all started 3,500 years ago with Moses, 2,000 with Jesus, 1,500 years ago with Muhammad, peace be upon them all. But 3.3 million years ago, people were on this planet making tools, hammers. All right? That means the religion of God, the source of creation, because Prophet Adam, he was placed in creation to be a part of creation. God is the Almighty, the All-Knowing. He knew he was going to do that. So Adam is a part of creation. God created Adam in the form of creation. Love and mercy is the form we have. The form of his image is love and mercy. In that form, in that image of his love and his mercy, but in the sense of love and mercy, gave us this creation. God has always been love and mercy since the creation of the universe. It's always been love and mercy, the religion of our Lord, and it's never changed since the beginning of the universe.
What if the earth itself has veins of energy, an invisible grid shaping history, sacred sites, and even human consciousness? These are called ley lines, and they may not be just myth. Countless ancient monuments align perfectly along these mysterious paths. Were ancient builders simply lucky, or did they tap into a hidden science of earth energy, known today as geomancy? Ley lines are like rivers of subtle power, channels where the planet's life force flows, that connecting with these lines could awaken higher states of being. Modern scientists have noticed magnetic anomalies along many of these lines. Coincidence? Or evidence that ancient civilizations mapped an invisible network modern technology is only beginning to rediscover?
To become one with the earth is to become one with God's kingdom.